Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make slavery in Infinite Craft. So first of all guys, you have to uh, use fire and just drag earth over it to create lava, and now you have to put water on lava to create a stone. Now you have to now we have to use lava with the lava. So now we have to put lava over stone to create obsidian, and after this we have to use earth, or just put earth over obsidian to get diamond. And now we have to use stone with diamond. Where is the stone? Now just drag stone over diamond to create jewel. After this you have to use water. Just put water on jewel to create pearl. So now once you obtain pearl, now combine pearl with diamond to create necklace. Now just join two necklace together to make chain. Now just use human where is the human? Just drag human on chain to create. What the hell? So guys, this is not working here right now, but we can create slave using chain and human, but it is not working. So I'll show you the next second method. What do you have to do? You have to use fire with fire to create volcano, and water on water to create lake, and lake with volcano will create Iceland, and just drag earth on Iceland to create continent, and continent with lake, where is the lake? Continent with lake will create America. Fine. And now you have to use water with America to create freedom. Now we are very close to it. Now if you don't have dust, you can create dust here. Just drag earth with water to create, sorry, I just messed up. So you have to use earth plus wind to create dust. And now this is just combine freedom with dust to create. I think this word has been filtered now. It is not working. You can see it is not combining. It could be any, it could be fixed, or this word has been uh, filtered by the developer. So that's why this word is not working, but this is the only way to create it. You can see that it is not combining and in any way. So yeah, hope you get it. So these are the two ways to create. I don't know if it works for you, but you can try out. But in my system it is not working. I don't know why. So there are two ways, and I have told you both ways to create slave and slavery, but it is not working. You can check it out at your own. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.